What's up, everybody? I'm back at it. I'm going to refinish another putter. I've got an Odyssey. This is a long neck number 6 white hot, super long mid slant. But it's got a little chatter on it, and I'm just going to see what this one looks like. So this is an Odyssey. I'm going to use the same sandpaper, and I'll update here in a little bit. We'll see what this one looks like. Alright, I'm about 20 minutes in. You can see there's still light dings in there. It's coming along. Alright, took me about 2 hours, but I got this one cleaned up pretty good. I mean, it's shine compared to the rest of the putter. It has a lot of shine on it. So I may try to nickel finish this with some Scotch Brite. If I do, I'll come back and show an update real quick. But it took me about 2 hours with 320 grit. I basically just used 320 grit and 120 grit, 600 grit, and 2000. So you definitely can get the a good amount of the chunks and stuff out of a putter line with just a little bit of work. So alright, so I got the top line of this putter cleaned up and shined up, but I want to try to give it a nickel finish, and I'm actually going to show, I'm going to use this Scotch Brite Pad, and I'm just going to go in one direction. I like to go side to side, kind of with the putter aim, I guess. And usually, I mean, it'll give it, I mean, you're not going to get the really great satin finish from bead blasting, but if you don't want that super bright reflective top line, what I'm hoping is this one will give a nice, let's see what it looks like. I mean, you still got some shine to it, but overall, I mean, it looks pretty clean. I mean, here's your natural matte finish, no glare. So the top is going to look a little different, but alright, so the one on the left I'm shaking here is the satin, the one I did with the Scotch Brite. And you can see as I turn the putter, it's kind of just, it's almost like just a solid white line there. And then you're going to see this one reflecting out of the light, the silver. So there's a little difference. So, but both these top lines are really clean now when you look down at the ball. So the one on the left is a Scotch Brite after the, and you can see how bright that is on the polished one with the sandpaper. The 2000 grit was the last thing I used on the low pro. And like I say, here's the, what I'll do the low pro right now, and I'll use this as a difference. We'll compare the two here in a minute. You guys can see what you like better. Alright, I'm here with the low pro. This has got a 2000 grit polished top. I am going to go ahead and go with the Scotch Brite method. So let's see how it does here. So this is complete shine, and I'm just going to go direction. The trick is, you know, when you're wanting to get all of the dents and scratches, that's pretty time consuming if you're just going to go the route that I do, the cheap route. I usually just put on some music and go to town. But I like to go in one direction. It gives a nice clean look, and usually this just is all I need to do. I probably don't even need to do this much, but it's good to get I think you want everything uniform, so try to if you can, don't go in zigzags or anything. Just try to make straight lines as if you're making aiming markers, nice and straight, you know, within reason. Anyway, so let's see here. So we're still gonna have some shine, but no more mirror image. Alright, the finished product. You can see when I turn them now, there's no mirror image or glare. You can still see where I left the bumpers silver, so you can see the difference on that compared to the top line now. Hopefully you guys can see the light changing on the bumpers, which I'll probably adjust that here in a minute. And so, like I say, it's not going to be the color of your original putter, but if you want to take the dings out and at least make it what it is. Alright, peace. So what's up, everyone? I just wanted to show these out in the light so that you can see what they look like in the sun. And like I say, I just use sandpaper, and I finished off with the, I sanded it down and then gave it the nickel finish with the Scotch Brite. Alright, peace out.